Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straightsmile Solutions, straightsmilesolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about how to make your protraction face mask more comfortable. And if you do not know what a protraction face mask is, why you use it, how to deliver it, how to hook it up, you'll want to watch all my other videos on protraction face mask therapy. To access those, that's the keyword, protraction face mask, or even just face mask. You can just go to my YouTube channel. To get there, go to your YouTube channel, put in the search bar at the top, Straightsmile Solutions. From there, that'll take you to my YouTube channel, which has a green banner. From there, at the top right of the tabs, there's a tiny magnifying glass. You can put in the keyword face mask, and it'll take you to all of our face mask videos so you can know everything about indications, how to use it, sizing, all that kind of stuff. So let's say once you've delivered it, it's been going well, but the patient's starting to complain that it's making their skin break out, or it's slipping around, or it's uncomfortable, or it's sweaty. One of the cool hacks that I learned in residency is that you can buy something called moleskin, and this is a sample of moleskin. Moleskin can be purchased from any drugstore, pharmacy, anything like that, Target, Walmart, Rite Aid, Walgreens, CVS, Longs, whatever you want to call it, in the foot aisle. So the name brand is by Dr. Scholl's, but they make lots of knockoff brands, which is what you've got right here. You basically cut it to the size of the plastic, and you peel the tape and stick it on, and that's pretty much it. It's really easy. So great way to make the experience a little more comfortable for the patient. All right, thanks.